Good morning, I'm Abby Phillips of the Finance News Network. On Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average hit a new record high as traders processed fresh data indicating ongoing progress in curbing inflation. Wall Street also celebrated its third consecutive week of gains. The 30-stock Dow gained 0.33%, which marks both a record close and an all-time intraday peak. In contrast, the S&P 500 dipped 0.13%, while the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.39%, impacted by a 2% decline in Nvidia shares. Turning to US sectors, all closed mixed. Energy emerged as the best performer, closing 2.11% higher, while technology was the worst, falling 0.96%. Throughout the week, major indexes extended their winning streaks, with the Dow and S&P 500 both rising approximately 0.6%, while the Nasdaq climbed nearly 1%. Traders found encouragement in inflation data that raised hopes for additional rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. August's PCE price index, the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, rose by 0.1%, meeting economists' forecasts. On an annual basis, PCE increased by 2.2%, slightly below the anticipated 2.3%. Policymakers and investors alike are keenly watching for continued signs of easing inflation, which could open the door for lower borrowing costs and provide relief to both corporate and household balance sheets. Wall Street's upward momentum was supported by strong economic indicators, including lower than expected jobless claims reflecting a robust labour market. Additionally, the final reading for the second quarter GDP was solid at 3%. Gold settled down 1% and Bitcoin futures rose by 1.5%. WTI crude experienced a 0.8% gain in volatile trading but ultimately ended the week more than 4% lower. Silver prices surged to their highest levels since 2012 this week, driven by expectations for further interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve and stimulus measures from China. Turning to the local market, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.